Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Emeril, take one.
Hi, Emeril Lagasse here, cooking with my Power Air Fryer 360. It's like having me in your kitchen. Bam, bam, bam. Rotisserie whole chicken with just one touch. That's so crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Even everyday meals come out perfectly cooked. My Power Air Fryer 360 is now available at these retailers. So hey, start cooking.
The following is a paid presentation for Emeril's all-new Power Air Fryer 360, brought to you by TriStar Products Incorporated.
Hey everybody, it's Emeril with huge news. We're introducing an all-new pro-grade appliance that now you can have at your home. So, you ready to kick it up a notch?
We all love fried foods, but we hate all the health problems they can cause. What if you could make your favorite fried foods without so much of the unhealthy fat and calories? Now you can. Introducing Emeril Lagasse's all-new Power Air Fryer 360. The air fryer with quick cook turbo heat technology that fries with air, not oil, giving you delicious, crunchy, crispy results fast with up to 70% less calories from fat versus deep frying. The airflow racks mean you can cook up to 450% more than a traditional air fryer. Air fry steak and fries in 20 minutes. But with 12 cooking presets, this is so much more than an air fryer. Now it's easy to make delicious, healthy, family-sized meals, including roasts and casseroles, faster and without all the hassle. One touch to air fry rotisserie chicken 30 minutes faster that's crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. One touch to roast an entire turkey up to 40% faster. It even converts to a countertop slow cooker for ribs that are slip off the bone tender. Air fry pizza in minutes with perfect crust and sizzling hot toppings. One touch to broil, just like your oven. Evenly toast bagels or 6 pieces of bread. There's even a bake function for decadent desserts. Emeril's Power Air Fryer 360 is the most versatile kitchen tool that you'll use every day.
This is going to completely change the way you cook.
Emeril Lagasse exploded onto the scene more than 30 years ago. World-renowned restaurants, TV shows, books. He's one of the world's most celebrated and awarded chefs. He revolutionized the culinary world. Now he's revolutionizing your kitchen with his Power Air Fryer 360.
Trust me, the first time you work with a pro-grade appliance like this, you'll be hooked. It's simple to use, it's incredibly powerful. It just makes preparing all the meals I love easier.
Today on Emeril Every Day, America's most lovable chef and American Idol star Kimberly Locke are showing you just how easy it is to create mouth-watering meals using only the Power Air Fryer 360.
Look at that. So,
Can you believe that?
And here's the best part. Today, you're not only going to get an amazing deal on the best kitchen appliance you'll ever own, you're also going to find out how you can get all these amazing recipes and more. All packed into this cookbook, not available in any store. It's time to kick your kitchen up a notch.
This is Emeril Every Day. Very much. You want to talk about crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside? What we're frying is with super hot air, not oil. Look at how crispy this chicken looks.
it's unreal. That means that you're getting up to 70% less calories from fat versus deep frying.
And folks, this is just one of the functions. We still have 11 more functions to go. That's how incredible the 360 is. And
Juicy, crispy, crunchy, air-fried chicken.
no oil.
No oil. I just have to say this is really, really good. Look at that.
Right? Crab meat stuffed shrimp. Look at the quantity, folks.
Oh,
Look
look
at
at
that.
beautiful those are.
Right? So this is the competition.
All right.
That's what you get.
All right, so this is a no-brainer. This is a no-brainer. Not to mention...
Where's the fries?
There's no fries.
Where's the shrimp?
There's no, definitely not any shrimp.
Where's the chicken?
They're not in here.
Let me show you another function.
All right.
Roasting. So watch this, folks. That, my friends, is a 12-pound turkey.
Wow.
2.5 hours, folks.
Wow. That's like
2.5 hours.
40% faster than your regular oven, and you literally press a button. You don't have to think about it.
You know what I'm so excited about? The next function. It's a rotisserie.
Take us there.
Yes, I'm gonna take us there. I love rotisserie food. The juices are staying in, the crispiness is happening on the outside, because this heat technology gives crisper skin, shorter cooking time,
Which we love.
than any other rotisserie that's out there.
Wow.
You see it? It's going around and around.
Nice.
Oh, wait, I have a mess in my rotisserie. No, not with the 360. It comes with a built-in drip pan, and all you do is put it in the dishwasher and say goodbye.
The first thing I noticed, Chef, is the crispy, brown, perfectly cooked skin.
Yes.
Okay?
And what I want to show you, folks, the ease of the knife. Oh, yeah, look at the juices. Look at that. I'm kind of drooling right now.
I'm definitely drooling.
Take a bite of that.
Beautiful, thank you.
Tell me what you think.
So juicy, so flavorful.
So now I ask you, you ready to kick it up a notch? Now we're gonna slow cook. I took a pretty good sized pork butt, about 7 pounds or so. After 8 hours,
Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. And look at that, a 4.5 quart pan, straight out of the oven.
straight out of the oven. This is one of the most popular dishes that we have at Emeril, as well as Emeril's Coastal Italian.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. Our next function is we're going to bake. And what we're gonna bake are these corn muffins. Now I'm gonna put pulled pork. And Kimberly is just filling the rest with the corn batter. Look at that, folks. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one out, set it on a bed of coleslaw. Cut our muffin. Check this out. Oh,
Yeah.
but you gotta have your favorite barbecue sauce. Oh, yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Slow cooking.
That's right. Listen, Chef Emeril has taken some of his most popular dishes served in his restaurants and customized them for the 360 so that you can make them right at home in your very own kitchen. Oh, don't mind if I do.
How was that? Oh, did I tell you it has a toast function?
How many people in our audience have a toaster oven on their counter? Right? Guess what? Throw it away. Throw it away. We're toasting the top and the bottom, and you don't have to flip it.
Ooh, look at that
Look
cheese.
at that melted cheese.
Oh,
Look, there's more.
have some onions.
Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
Look at the thickness and the juiciness of these burgers.
This is no wimpy burger here.
Right.
So look, we're gonna just build yours first. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut it. And watch this. We stuffed the burger with cheese, and then we added cheese on top of it. That's what I call a cheeseburger.
That is beautiful.
Oh, enough already. Take a bite.
The hamburger gods are singing.
So now, that brings me to another thing. How about dessert? How do you guys feel about a chocolate molten cake? Oh, by the way, it's in the book. We hit the button, and in 12 minutes, let me show you what we got.
That looks so delicious.
Powdered sugar. Bam, bam, bam! Just a little bit like that. A little bit more chocolate.
That is the perfect dessert. We're talking restaurant quality
Yes.
molten chocolate cake
Yes.
right here.
Yeah. And watch this. May the molten be with you. We're gonna do fish tacos,
Yum.
and we're gonna have a party.
Let's have a party.
We're gonna use barbecue potato chips that we just just kind of crushed up like that. And then what you do, your fish, your shrimp, after you season them, we're gonna dredge them. And so what you have is a little different air frying breading. We got the beautiful shrimp.
Oh, look at those shrimp.
We got our fish. Today we're using beautiful flounder fillets.
Wow.
And then we have our peppers and onions that we roasted. To me, that's not dinner. That's a party, right? So now we'll give you a fish taco. We're talking up to 24 tacos here.
That's a lot of tacos.
Okay, so here it is from the air fryer to you.
Thank you.
Okay, it's one touch, you walk away. Yeah, right?
So good.
At a touch of a button, this becomes a pro-grade dehydrator. We have our own dehydrated fruits. We did our own tomatoes.
Beautiful.
Okay, and then I dehydrated some onions. So we're gonna take a stack of these delicious, crispy, dehydrated onions.
Oh, I love crispy
right on top
onions.
like that.
Look at that.
Okay, and you just turned your piece of salmon into like a restaurant quality dish.
Yeah.
Now we're going to the pizza function. This is like sort of a white pizza, if you will, right? Is we're just gonna start spreading that sauce. In some of our restaurants, we have pizza ovens. And what makes them so special is how hot they are. And guess what? So does the 360 get hot. It's almost like having a pizza oven on your countertop and much, much more, right? And now our dehydrated tomatoes.
Look at that.
Okay?
This is gonna take a matter of minutes, and we're gonna have crispy wood fire oven quality results super fast.
Kimberly is gonna show you how easy it is. Kimberly's loading the appliance, and look at this. By the push of a button in that pizza setting, that's all you have to do. And you have a perfectly cooked, crispy pizza.
Oh, that's beautiful.
All right, so I'm gonna just do a little of that
How crispy is it?
and let you be the judge.
It's crispy and crunchy. I guarantee you're gonna want to try this.
Absolutely. Let's come over here and let's show you the rotisserie function. This is a flank steak. I took my slicer right in half so that I could just sort of butterfly it like that. Just do a layer of Munster cheese because it gets really gooey, cheesy. It's not overpowering. And then what I did is some roasted peppers in our air fryer mode. You could also buy them, but you'll save yourself a lot of money. And then spinach that we blanched. Now, you want to make sure when you're rolling it that it's really tight. So watch. Tight. Tight. Tight.
You're locking in all those juices and all that flavor.
Check this out. Right?
Look at the juices dripping off of this.
Look at that.
Wow. I have to say, this is beautiful.
You should let it rest a little bit. And then you start slicing.
Oh, look at that.
Okay? And folks, what I want to show you, check this out. Okay? Beautiful, right? In the air fryer, we did some crispy onions.
Mind you, these are air fried onion rings.
Correct.
No oil, okay?
Just wait and you see how you taste that. All those flavors tied together. The marinara sauce, just unbelievable.
This is delicious. It's like the pepper melted into the steak. It is delicious.
And the recipe is in the book.
This is so good. Look at all that food.
Yeah. Let's start right here with steak fries, first of all. And then steaks.
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah, look at this. So look at the caramelization that we have.
Wow.
Right?
Look how juicy those steaks
Right,
are.
look at that.
We got 4 steaks on top, steak fries in the basket on the bottom. That's a lot of food. Don't you guys agree?
Well, let me just show you. I'm just slicing these. Look how perfectly cooked that is. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take as many steak fries that you'd like. And then what I love to do is take a little bit of my homemade Worcestershire sauce, just a little drizzle of that.
Look at that.
For a little flavor. And then whatever garnish you like. I happen to really like a charred lemon with charred rosemary. And there you have the most perfect steak and French fry dinner that you could possibly do in 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes.
So this is a very Italian Sunday tradition.
I knew you were going to bring us something special today.
Yes, tempino. But what we're going to do is take blanched pasta, add the meats, and mozzarella. Lots of it. Fresh basil, we're gonna take that now, and we're gonna toss this all together. The meats, the pasta, the cheese. I'm gonna just go here.
We're going all in, right?
And you're gonna go in.
Perfect.
Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Watch what happens now. We take the dough and we work it in.
It's like a blanket of love.
Yeah. It's like wrapping up the little baby. In 30 minutes, this is what we're gonna have. I hope you're ready for this. What we wanna do now is we wanna invert it.
Oh,
Okay.
look at that.
We wanna invert it. What we're gonna do now, folks, is we're gonna go in and cut a little wedge. We're gonna go in for a wedge. Look at that. We're gonna go on with a wedge. And then look of all the goodness. And there you have it. Okay? Peppino. Oh, we got more coming. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna slow cook this 6 hours.
Wow.
Now, here's a great thing that I love. Corned beef, 6 hours.
Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice?
Oh, yeah. Just slide it over and pray that it doesn't completely fall apart.
That smells so
Speaking about
delicious.
perfect, look at it falling apart. I'm not even going to be able to get it on the board. It's so tender.
Doesn't that look delicious?
That's what I'm talking
This
about.
is one powerful
Yes,
appliance.
you better believe it. How about a white chocolate macadamia nut bread pudding? We have eggs, we have melted butter, we have sugar, we have vanilla, and we want to just sort of beat this up a little bit. That was milk and cream. So whether you're using baguette, French bread, brioche, you have to let the bread soak. It's thirsty. Hear the bread going. And then you hear another. Once it soaks, then you add the white chocolate chips, and then you add the toasted macadamia nuts.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And then you let that all incorporate, and then we put it in our casserole. You want to talk about something you want to make, let me tell you. Oh, did I tell you it's in the book? Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what it looks like when it comes out. Watch this.
So crunchy on the top and golden brown.
Oh, wait.
Look at that.
Let's get another one. Oh, la la. Huh. I like to give it a little bam, bam, bam. With some caramel. And then a little whipped cream. And let's have a macadamia nut white chocolate bread pudding. Cheer.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's been a lot of fun, huh?
Oh, it's been so much fun. Chef, I can't believe everything that the 360 can do.
This is a product I know that you will use every day. Thanks for coming.